everyone, this is Cindy Crane at the Heart, and I'm back sort of with my first giveaway of the month. I plan on giving away, hopefully if it all works out, something each week in the month of November. And just in gratitude for helping me grow my channel, for subscribing, for commenting, and all that wonderful stuff. I really, really appreciate it. All of us, I think all of us have struggles in our lives, and I don't really talk about that on my channel because my channel is a place for crafting and fun and light. But I've had some dark times, and so it was my goal this year really to work on, growing my channel because I've had my channel for a long time, and getting out there and being crafty and meeting my crafty subscribers, even if it's just in messages. So every week, the plan is that I will have a giveaway, small, big, whatever. It's going to be something I'm going to give away. So I have to clean my room this week, especially this weekend. So I have lots of things to give away. I just don't know where I've hid it. I've hid it from myself. So I'm going to have to find everything. But this is the first giveaway that I'm going to do. And it's really, really simple. All you have to do is be a subscriber. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. And you need to leave a comment, letting me know what you're doing this weekend or something upcoming that's happening the next week that you're looking forward to. It could be spending time in your craft room, working on a project. It could be going to your kid's ball game. It could be sitting in front of the TV and watching Netflix, because that's freaking awesome in my opinion too. So just let me know something that you're doing that's fun this weekend or something that you're looking forward to doing. And that's all you have to do to be entered. And you will win this brand new sticker book. It's a Dear Lizzie. I did get it from Tuesday morning, but they sell these for $19.99 in Hobby Lobby. I have seen them, and even with the 40% off coupon, you can't pay $6.99, and you can get it for free from me. So the thing about this sticker book is I think it might be more designed for planners because the stickers are very thin, but you can use it obviously for anything that you want. And it has kind of like a snapshot of different collections from Dear Lizzie in here. And there's some really super cute stickers and washi tape style stuff. Very cute, very simple and fun. And so it's super easy to win, especially if one of the people who leave comments on my channel anyway. Just leave a comment, be a subscriber, and you have a chance to win the first prize for this week. Make sure to check back next Friday, which is when, hopefully, if all goes well in the world, I will post the winner for this giveaway, and I'll post my next giveaway. So I'll probably have a winner's video, which will be short, and then I'll have another video for the next prize. So you want to just check back with my channel every Friday so that you have a chance to win. So thank you so much for watching, subscribing, and being a part of my channel. You do brighten my day.